Good evening and welcome. In this session, we are going to discuss one of the oldest algorithms and one of the finest as well, extended Euclidean algorithm. The statement goes like this: given two natural numbers A and B, there exists two more natural numbers in such a way that AS plus BT is equal to GCD of A, the greatest common divisor of A and B. Okay. Example: input say A equal to 161, B is equal to 28. Okay. Now output: GCD of AB is 7. Okay. So S is -1 and T is 6. You can easily check. Say -1 into 161 plus 6 into 28 is equal to -161 plus 168 is equal to 7. Okay. So there are some rules to prove it. We need some variables here. One is R1, R1 is A, R2 is R1 is A, R2 is B, Q is integer division of R1, R2, R is remainder of division of R1 and R2. Okay. Then initial value of S1 is 1, S2 is 0, whereas S is equal to S1 minus Q into S2. Now we have T1 as 0, and T2 is 1 and T is T1 minus Q into T2. Okay. Now, so having these rules in hand, we have to prepare a table as shown below. First, quotient followed by R1, followed by R2, followed by R, followed by S1, S2, S, T1, T2, and T. We continue framing these values till R2 is greater than 0. Okay. This is 161. This is 28. 161 by 28. The quotient is 5. Okay. A remainder is 140, 161 minus 21. S1 is 1, S2 is 0. If you apply the formula, S equal to S1 minus Q into X, this will become 1 because Q is multiplied by 0. So T1 is 0, T2 is 1, and this is say -5. Okay. So next round. Now this is 28. Okay, this value is brought here. This is 21. Okay, now quotient is 1 and the remainder is 7. Okay, S2 is now S1. S is S2. We have to find out S. So what will be S? This is -1. Okay. Now what will be it? This is 1. And what about this? 1 minus of -5, this is 6. Okay. And what about this? Is it 6 or not? Say this is, no, this is -5. This is 6. 1 minus of -5, 6. Okay. This is 1, this is okay. Next. This is 3. Okay. What about this? This is 21. This is 7. Remainder is 0. What about S1? S1 is 1. S2 is -1. Okay. How much this is going to be? 1 minus 1 into -1 plus 1. So let us find out it. 1 minus of -1 into 3. So this is then 4. Okay. This is -5. This is 6. 6 into 3, 18. 18 minus 5 minus 23. Okay. Next. What is quotient? Quotient is, okay. So let us stop here. And this value and this value and this value, okay, are S and Q. You have seen that. Okay. -1 and 6. So let us write a Java program to find out this. Okay. So to read the inputs, let us import java.util. Java.util. Okay. Now, so use a scanner class to read the inputs. New scanner system.in. The first time I wrote this correctly. Next, int r1 is equal to sc dot next int, c dot next int. Okay. So read r1. Let us read r2. Next int. Okay. So r1, r2 are read. Fine. Next assign, say s1 is equal to 1. S2 equal to 0. T1 is equal to 0. Sorry. T1 equal to 0. T2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, while this B, that is R2 greater than 0, R2 greater than 0, find out quotient. What is quotient? R1 by R2 is quotient. Okay. Next, find remainder. What is remainder? R1 modulus R2. Okay. For next iteration, R1 is R2 and R2 is R. Okay. Then find out S. what is S1 minus Q into S2. Okay. Now for next iteration, what is S1? S1 equal to S2 and S2 equal to S. Okay. Next, find out T. What is T? T1 minus Q into T2. What about T1? T1 is T2. What about T2? T2 is T. Okay, done. Now print the results. System.out.println. Okay, first yes, right? What is yes? Yes1. Next T. Going back, T is T1. Okay, check. So from where it came, fine. So everything in main method itself without using any functions. 161 and 28. I never wrote a program without syntax errors. I may never write. Say 161 and 28. So what should we get? We should get -1 in place of S1 and 6 in place of T1. Okay. So seems there is a lot of load on the system and system is reacting very slowly. Let us do one thing. Let us take this program and go to say CodeChef and run it there. Practice. Integrated development environment. Any luck here? It is still venturing. Okay. Now select language here. Say Java. Okay. Now, so here, let us copy this and run it. There is one error. Should be declared in a file named program.java public class. What was there initially? Let us go back and see it. Let us take only the method come here, select language Java. So now run it. So one error. while parsing. What is that error? So I should end the class. Seems that is error. Running. Scanner. Scanner ESC, new scanner, okay. So let us again come back to Java. Don't abstract my view. Let us run this 161 and 28. Two errors. A new scanner system.in cannot find symbol, okay. For that you need to import java.util, okay. Say util spelling java.util, okay. Let us run it. Values are 161 and 28. So S is -1, but T is 0. T2 is T, T1 is T2. T equal T1 minus Q into T2. Initially T1 is 0, T1 is 0, T2 is 1. Now 161 and 28. At last we got the values, okay. So let us run it for another input to confirm that it works for all values 12 and 8. The GCD is 4, 1 and -1, okay. 12 and 4, 12 into 1, 12 into 1, -1 into 8. So result is 4, okay. So working well. So this is what Euclidean algorithm extended one, okay. It finds out what? It finds out two natural numbers. What two natural numbers? S and T in such a way that AS BT equal GCT of AP, okay. So I hope you understand it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and keep watching. This was asked in one of the recent CodeVita exams, okay, in mathematical section, okay. One of the oldest algorithms, but still fun while implementing. Thank you.